Hello, this is my third model for a powered air purifying respirator. So the design is pretty simple. There's a filter which is glued to a plastic jar so that the only way for air to get from one side of the jar to the other is to go through the filter. And then the filter is attached to a fan, which is inside this hood and mounted to a hat just so that it fits easily. And then the fan is connected to a USB power supply. The second version that I made was pretty much the same as this, except the fan was blowing air to the filter, which is on the inside. There's advantages to both. I think mounting the motor inside is a little bit easier this way, and the motor is more protected. Having the filter on the inside and the fan on the outside, I think makes it a little bit quieter. And it also means that if there's any chemicals, some chemicals will go by this filter entirely, but if they're like small microscopic bits of metal or something like that, they'll actually be caught by the filter. So the filter, having the filter on the inside can also protect from debris from the fan. But these are brushless fans, so there really shouldn't be much in the way of debris coming from them. But that's essentially it. These are very comfortable and easy to breathe through because there's a constant flow of air, so there's no effort. And when you're wearing them, they have the benefit that when you talk to someone, the person you're talking to can actually see your lips as you talk, which helps some people understand more clearly than they could if you have a mask that covers up your face. Again, be safe and save lives.